this. A little bit, not all of it. To the end.
Okay.
Thank you, Ramona.
Those two whistles you just heard tell us that our engineer has received our all clear and we will be pulling out of the depot at any moment. As we get ready to depart, let me remind you of a couple of the safety rules you'll need to know for our trip today. Please remember to remain seated at all times. This does include small children, as they are not permitted to stand on your lap, on the seat, or on the floor. If you have small children in your group, please have them sit in the center portion of your seat with an adult on the outside edges. Also, remember to keep all body parts inside the car at all times, and the use of tobacco products is not permitted during our trip. Thank you.
All right, folks, sometimes we have to give our engine a little bit of assistance heading out of the depot. So get your hand there on the row in front of you and give it a little bit of a push. Let's help this engine get started here. Come on, y'all, push. Push, there you go. Sometimes it can be a little hard. There we go. Hey, you almost ate your Wheaties this morning. Good job. All right, so as we're moving out here, everybody on the last few cars, look over on your left-hand side and wave at our depot master, Ramona. Tell her we'll be gone in a week or two, but we've never been gone longer than a week. All right, as we're headed out here, Dollywood considers ourselves to be the friendliest place in the Smokies. So on the count of three, give these folks here at the Village Crossing a big old southern howdy. 1, 2, 3, howdy! Oh yeah, howdy, howdy. We'll see y'all in a minute or two, a week or post. Now coming up here on your right-hand side, you're going to see Dollywood's very